Hey YouTube, welcome back to Rich Vlogs. It's Rich, and I'm back today with just to show you guys a little something. So this is what we're gonna start off with. I'm gonna be doing a little project here, and this is just gonna be like the little first part of it. Let you guys see what we're gonna be working with. All right, so this is a 1980 box Chevy Caprice Classic. Yeah, this is what we're gonna be working with. So first we're gonna get done with this is we're gonna go ahead and put a new transmission in it, and this thing will be ready for the road. What we're gonna do is get a few other things done to it, get it perked up or whatnot. But this is gonna be one of our first little projects we're gonna start off with. And yeah, I'll see you guys back shortly. Hey YouTube, I'm sorry, I'm back again. Just forgot to say something. Anything that you guys want to see on my channel, just be sure to comment in the comment section below, or you can DM me on Instagram, and hopefully I'll see your message and see what we can do. So just let me know what you guys want to do. Hellcat.